Kikubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors, the all-new Altros. Now, with more exciting features. Ka any ride, ka app ban book taxi bat bike, ban pensuk ya ka let kawan katkum ka jingdon kam jongpi, namar bangi nyokor ya ka por jongpi. Download ya ka nika app naka Play Store.
Ka IZ Group of Institution Bangalore, kadai ka college babatam na banta ka jingpuli nursing but paramedical course, hospital training, Khnyah scholarship but 6% ka kam, haki hospital bahedo ha India but shabari. Na banta ka jingpuli ka jingsiyo ka baret but pila ban let puli da ka education loan. Pila ro ban chukol ha number khandai nyo saw san rio pranon lani khandai pran rio license an riway khandai pra.
Ka Deputy Commissioner jaka East Khasi District ka Kongrosita Mary Kurba haka South Rek Unailar Arajar Pulai kalapin Paidbah ya ka Ayushman Bharat School Health and Wellness Program ha East Khasi District ya kani ka Ayushman Bharat Health and Wellness Program lapin Prokram daga jing trelang ha pedang katnat ka Koit ka Khiah bat katnat puli puthi jaka sarkar jilla ha ka jing alang lapin Paidbah ya kani ka program la sakhilang da ka Director of Health Services ka Dr. E.G. Taryang Pajan, ka District School Education Officer ka Kong M. Lingwa bat kiwi.
Investment in education, as I say, is an investment in health. Addressing health and education together underpins the SDG goals, the National Health Policy, and envisage attainment of the highest possible level of health and well-being for all ages, though through preventive and promotive healthcare. This policy lays great emphasis on the investment of school health by incorporating health education as part of the curriculum, promoting hygiene and healthy practices in the school environment. The school health promotion activities under Ayushman Bharat program is a joint initiative by the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare and the Department of School Education, Ministry of Human Resources and Development. So that right from the start, what we are doing right now, we see if we are talking about health, usually at one point of time when we were talking about health, we only discuss health when we are sick. You know, we never take a look at health as something that we can prevent. So the attitude, our attitude towards health has to be one of a preventive in nature rather than a curative one, because we don't usually give that importance to health. Okay? Of late, people have become health freak. You've heard a lot of us are spending so much time in gym and going for trekking, in either by bicycle or to different tracks. But the thing is that, until recently, people have not associated good health with good learning. If we do a little bit of walking and exercise, and health is something which we need to, it should be a top priority. As Andrea has said, if we're not healthy, we cannot have a productive child. We cannot have proper learning outcomes. So therefore, I just want to inform you that in our country, we have about 47.3 crores children between the age of 0 and 18, comprising 39% of the country's population, as per the census of 2011. The data suggests around 26 crores children in the age group of 6 to 18 are attending school. Just keep that in mind. As more children survive to go to school, and with the increased emphasis and importance that is being given to by the government of India under the program of SSA and also the right to education in 2020, which came about in 2010, the number of children attending school has increased tremendously. For millions of young people, including adolescents around the world, the onset of adolescence brings not only changes to their bodies. Now we go to the adolescent. Today, what we're going to discuss is this age group. It's very crucial age, the adolescent age. At that age, children are very vulnerable. We as principal, as teachers, should have a very, that's why they insist on psychology in BA, because we need to understand, we have to leave whatever we have, our feelings, our, whatever we have, our reservation about any student, that should be locked somewhere in the cupboard, and you go to the classroom and treat your children as equals amongst the student. So we should see, we are like the parents, we are the second parents, right? Teachers, I'm speaking as a teacher now because it's a habit which being a teacher before, it doesn't die, it becomes a habit, it doesn't renew. So the thing is that, we are saying that the adolescence is an age group. They are very vulnerable. With limited access to quality service of health, information, particularly on sexual and reproductive health, that is where we are having problem in our district and the state as a whole. Maybe the country too. Why? Because we are not talking. When we were in school earlier, there used to be a class in the morning, moral science class. There they teach us, various things. It's like life skills. But now that is missing in the curriculum. More than 1/4, that is 26.8% of the girls in the country are still getting married below the legal age. So they are not aware about the legal age. What's the legal age for girls?
21 now. 21 now.
Girls. Boys?
23.
So, what we are having then? Aren't we having a big issue? So that's why you see we have to kind of wake up. And it is the burden of this is on all the institutions. Because they stay with you more than 6 hours a day. It's just not about teaching. We have a social service to do.
Khiah ngako apan kren sapang ganige intensified mission in the Dhanush kababot bagi ai kita kitikai kalung kiba do landi kibala I no ya kecil ai tikai jungki na do badang kha hado sansna te kawaidu ni ai ki taki barmet ki pregnant women ro ni ai la ki takum haka is Khasi hills banidan mentai kita ki pregnant women hagani ga in the IMI first round ke ban sedang nado new tarik jong August hado khar tarik tegani ngidan kumba Syahjar arspa sapusan ngot ki taki na barmet ki beri ban pendep ketika jongki takat didi tingidan pergi kelung ki ba hado arsnem kidan prahajar kandai spa sapu arngon kidan ruki kelung hado arsnem hado sansnem kidan hado nyo hajar sispa tapulaingon te habang kren chapang gane ka IMI ru ngikren ki chapang kita ki kelung bang ki zero dose children kini kamot bagi kelung ki bam pat to yo component jong DPT la ni penda hagpo ka jingim jong ki nado bagi kha hado sansnem te kita ki kelung ru ngiwat mangin pendep ban ai ki tika kini tika bade ban ai hagane ka por te kumjuru ngile ngin la ngi banderat tingkhong ru ya kane ka measles rubella namar ngi kita singi ong measles ude yang persit bon hi gidang bon kata kecingit ba ude ban mi ndre ude we kenyang jimpang bakon poi khlong man poi shu hospital ba do kucing ya bro tan kada ba ki yo uni jimpang yang persit Ikum juru menta bangiladon kita ki vaccines preventable diseases ba ang kita ki tika ki balak banyadai kita ki jimpang ni de ban wan sakhamat ban ai ban pen deblo iki khlong khnang bakin lan na ganu jingma ha ga jing im jongki kum ki khlong ki ba school ru kum ki badang dan apa kasan senam hi nilaban pendek kita ketika kumjuru ya ki ba armet do bakin wan sakhamat ban pendek ketika jongki Dia kini kecing temu jong kini ka IMI ro kini bangin kavalon. Ya bar khoi kita kilung ki belaju ai teng kama kila pep no lan ni kila do lan ni kita kilung ki bampat ju ai. Tret di ketika ru ngin cover hagan ka IMI minta. Dekat hadu 3 rounds dan mau September badau Oktober. Education department ru ni kadang make a convergence mana ka puai bangi trilang bet. Namar high school kidang bun ki khilung ki bampat ju ai tikai tikino hikai ki ara ban penso thu lem ye ki kina school khanang ba kinra bandna ski sesam ban penso thu ye ki kmi ka kumju ru judan hi kataka jangan lang por bakidan kata parents teachers meeting mo de PTA har tu ko porru misi dan lang bat ni ki help officials ru bakin batai ya kumnu ke jing dan kam ka IT kai ya ki khulung la ne ya ki kena hapok school ka jong ke is Khasi hills ke dai prapu 8% te jing shi shang ni ban poi hadu khandai pesan menta bangin ya ni penduk no yu tau measles moment ong marat ding kong measles ni dai ban yo ya kata ke percentage jong ka MR1 khandai pesan MR2 ru khandai pesan.
And today we are launching the Ayush Bharat School Health and Wellness Program, which was launched in 2020. We know that schools play a critical role in helping students to establish a lifelong healthy behavior. So recognizing this, so we promote a school-based health promotion program, which we have to select 2 teachers, 1 female and 1 male from each school, so that counseling for the students can be done, and both the teachers, male and female, will be trained on 11 thematic areas regarding personal hygiene, diet and nutrition, regarding use of tobacco, alcohol and drugs, mental health, depression, which sometimes leads to suicide, road safety and injuries, relationships, early marriage, teenage pregnancy, reproductive RTI, STI and HIV, gender-based violence, physical activities, and yoga and meditation. So these 2 teachers will be involved in the school. For 1 hour every week, they'll have to do counseling and activities. So for the students of class 9 to class 12 in the district. So the objective of this program is to provide age-appropriate information on health and nutrition, to promote healthy behavior, to promote use of safe drinking water, and to promote safe menstrual hygiene and physical activity, yoga and meditation.
Ketika program Kabamenta Kasni MPI hangi ketika launching jong ka Ayushman Bharat School Health and Wellness Program. Di kani program ketika ba pemangalaong mene ketika ba na yale lang le tray lang bat ka District Medical Health Office bat kunju ru bat ka Education Department bat kani ka program ka target kedai nak benta kini ki Khynnah Skul ki badai haka adolescent age group namar menta ka fokus kalong haka overall well-being jongki ya ka physical well-being, ka emotional well-being, ka mental well-being jongki ni Khynnah Skul. Di kalong kabadan kam hadu kata-kata na kata daw la penong ya kani ka program haka ba on eye ya ka orientation na ka benta ki principals bat ki headmasters jong ya menta ki don sispa arpu South League secondary bat higher secondary schools ya ki balajet na ka district ban menta kani ka program bat ngakmi lenti bakan long ka ba seiso kani ka session ka bakan dan menta kenang ba ngikmi lenti ya ka bakan don ka bha kamiat haka jinglong ka jingman namar bang ngimdei ban penlejing muthan tang namata ka jingpuli ka jingroi jingpar jong ki Khynnah Skul ka jingpuli kalong ka badan kam hadu kata ta kham tam hakani ka juk ka menta ba ki Khynnah ru kin roi haka jinglong jingman jong ki na dong sadong ku mga ong mane ka physical ka emotional and mental well-being jong ki tikani ka target ya kata bat ngakermen ba lingba kani ka program ka ba andan menta kasngi ki principals bat headmasters ki badan hangni kenla banra ya ka syaki schools ki jongki bat pentrai kam ya ki activities ya ki ba on pen ya ki hang ni on ya discuss bat ki kumnu bakin carry out ki activities na ka benta ka mentoi ka bahalang jongki Khynnah ki jongi namar baki de kini ki belong kalawe ya ka jat benri ki jongi benung tangi long concern mengiru namata ka roi ka par jongki. Boleh